walking side by side, counting our steps, 1, 2, 3.
Let's in the trees.
Shall we play our game?
Yes, I like to play.
I see what you do not see, and it is green.
Walking through the woods, step by step, under the shady trees.
My buddy.
That's the place for me. Shall we play our game?
Yes, I like to play.
I spy with my little eye something you do not see, and it is green.
Is it the apple?
No, it's not the...
This time I know it. It is the bear.
No, you are wrong again.
Then I will try again. It's the crocodile.
It is the crocodile. B is happy.
Suddenly Hippo, thinking happily and excitedly, says,
Now it's my turn to guess, yeah.
B says,
Okay.
and looks slowly around.
I see. What you now see is dark
E.
What I see is dark brown. The hunter's dog.
No. It's not the hunter's dog.
It's the eagle.
Yes, it's the eagle.
Ooh, look at that. 2 foxes having a snack. Sometimes they munch on berries like these. And hey, there it is again. The letter F flying around. F is for fox. F is for fruit. F is for fun. Keep buzzing, little letter. You're lighting up the fun.
No, it's not the hunter's dog.
Oh my God, it's the eagle.
Yes, it's the eagle.
D is for dark brown, E source free. Add them together, dance with me. 2 plus 3 makes 5. Big claps, come alive. I have the letter F.
What have we learned today? A, B, C, and D, E, F. What have we learned today? A, B, C, and D, E, F. What can we write with these letters? Yes, we can write, for example, face. It's not much, but next time we will learn more letters and then we can make more words.
Thanks for watching. Until next time, friends.
Till next time, always be kind.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.